Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add captions to Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. Launch your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon and select here reel and capture your reel here and tap on next and tap on this A icon here and now enter here your caption, and here you will get several font style, so you can select any of them and you can change the color by tapping on this color box. You can change the font style from here and then tap on done. You can make the caption larger. So that's how you can add captions to Instagram Reels. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.